Hey ninjas, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a quick and easy potato salad, perfect for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and all your holiday side dishes. Let's get started. First, you're gonna start by washing 6 baby russet potatoes. Cut them into your desired bite-sized pieces. When you're done cutting, you're gonna transfer them into a clean pot. Add some water, and then you're gonna add about half a teaspoon of salt. You're gonna cover your pot and transfer the potato to the stove. You let them boil until they are fork tender. Once they are ready, once they are fully cooked, you're gonna take them to the sink, drain out the excess water, and set the potatoes aside to cool. Now it's time for prepping, cutting, slicing, and dicing. So I'll start by slicing 2 celery sticks. So I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. I'm going to cut half white onions. So I'm going to chop them into very small, sizes. I'm going to cut 4 green onions. So this is optional, you don't have to use this, but I like green onions in my salad, so I'm going to cut 4 green onions. I'm going to dice 4 dill pickles. After this, I'm going to cut some fresh parsley leaves. So I'm going to cut 6 hard-boiled eggs and set everything aside. Now that we're done prepping, we're going to go ahead and mix everything. So in a clean bowl, we're going to go ahead and add the onion, transfer the onion into the bowl. So I'm going to add 1 cup of mayonnaise. I'm going to add 1 cup of sour cream. And I'm just going to mix them together. I'll add the green onions, pickles, and celery and mix. Unfortunately, I didn't know my camera wasn't recording, but I've already added the green onions, celery, and pickles. So once you stir that, you want to go ahead and add the potatoes. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. There you go. Then I'll stir everything gently together. I'm going to add the boiled eggs that I already cut. Then I'm going to gently fold it in. If you're enjoying this video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification so you never miss a new recipe from the Food Ninja. I also want to use the opportunity to thank all my subscribers for always watching my videos. I want to thank those that are not subscribed but still watch the videos. Please do what to subscribe. Subscription is free, there is no charge to it. So now I'll go ahead and add the parsley, and I will give it a very gentle stir. And and this is optional. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of capers. So I'm just going to use my knife and cut it just roughly, and I'll add it in just for that extra flavor. You don't have to do this. So add a little bit of black pepper for the heat. Again, that is optional, you don't have to. So I'm going to fold everything in, and there you go. Your quick and easy and very creamy potato salad is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this recipe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.